PeopleTools 855 provides key enhancements to Fluid application development and deployment. With PeopleTools 855, all supported browsers support Fluid. Fluid is on by default for all users, browsers, and devices. A Fluid homepage is the default homepage for all users. Users navigate to Fluid and Classic applications through homepage tiles, search, navigator menu, and navigation collections. Navbar enhancements on Fluid and Classic pages include improved menu navigation in the navigator menu, including back one folder and back to root buttons, and you'll have the ability to edit favorites. This Fluid-like portal header for Classic includes the back button, search, notifications, the actions list, and navbar features. This portal header is displayed on all Classic pages and Classic home pages, creating a consistent look in operation across Fluid and Classic applications. 4 new layout pages are available for generating a Fluid page definition. 3 new page types are available: Side Page 1, which is the left panel, Side Page 2, the right panel, and Master and Detail Target Page. 4 new group box types are available: Page Tab, Master Detail Target, Search Action, and Related Content. Note that while Suppress on Form Factor settings have been removed from page properties, they continue to be selectable as page field properties. Enhancements for defining Fluid components include a component type selector that defines standard, activity guide, and master detail component types. A search type selector that defines the search page used for displaying search results to users, none, standard, or master detail. And help is available as an option for the actions list. Similar to the help link option on the Internet tab, this is an internal use only setting and should be set on components delivered by PeopleTools or PeopleSoft applications only. This completes our demonstration of the Fluid and Fluid homepages enhancements. With PeopleTools 855, all global search results for Fluid or Classic components are displayed on a Fluid search results page, which can optionally be configured to allow adding new values. Search results can have result-specific images. Otherwise, the default image is displayed for each result. In addition, the new Search Type component property allows you to determine the display format for search results. For example, None when you're using Search Init People code, Standard where no search results remain displayed after drilling into a specific result, and Master Detail where search results remain displayed in the left panel after drilling into a specific result. With PeopleTools 855, note that each result can include a unique image. The Navigator menu search results are displayed on the standard Fluid search results page. That is, no search results remain displayed after drilling into a specific result. Search configuration for Fluid applications differs from search configuration for Classic applications. In Fluid applications, the system does not build a search page automatically based on the search keys defined in a search record as it does for Classic applications. In PeopleTools 855, pivot grid models became the source for real-time component search. The instructor schedule component is configured for real-time search based on a pivot grid model. The search results for the instructor schedule component are also displayed on the standard Fluid search results page. That is, no search results remain displayed after drilling into a specific result. Alternatively, using the PeopleSoft search framework, you can associate a search definition with the Fluid component for keyword search. The personal information component is configured for keyword search using a PeopleSoft search framework search definition. Also note that this search results page includes the Add button, allowing you to add new values. Finally, this component is configured to use the Master Detail search results format, which means that search results remain displayed in the left panel after drilling into a specific result. You can click any result in the left panel, or you can navigate to the next or previous result by clicking the forward arrow or back arrow in the Fluid banner. This completes the real-time component search demonstration. Master detail components are introduced with PeopleTools 855 and contain the master detail component definition itself. A side page for the master list, which is a side 1 page type, and a target page for the details, which is a master and detail target page type. In this example, you can see that with a component defined in this way, the master list is rendered in the left panel, with the selected item displayed in the right. This completes our demonstration of the Master Detail Components feature. Fluid homepage enhancements include the Publish System homepage, which allows administrators to publish personalized Fluid homepages as new homepages available to other users for administrators with PTPT 1600 permission list only. On the Publish System homepage, you specify the new name, label, description, effective dates, and so on for the new homepage definition. You can select security by role, by permission list, or both, or grant public access to this new homepage. Although not demonstrated, PeopleTools also delivers definitions to facilitate creating guest user access and guest user homepages for Fluid, Classic, or both, including the PeopleSoft Guest role, the PTPT 1400 PeopleSoft Guest permission list, and certain permissions applied to basic items such as the navbar, navigator, homepage definitions, and so on. This completes the Publish System homepage enhancement demonstration. Fluid dashboards are a new feature in PeopleTools 855. They work like classic dashboards and are created and managed in the same way. Using the Manage Dashboard Pages component, Fluid dashboard definitions are created for you in the same folder in the portal registry as Fluid homepages. Access Fluid dashboards by clicking a content reference link, which can be placed anywhere in the menu structure. Dashboards do not appear immediately after a user signs into a PeopleSoft application. Fluid dashboards segregate content by role or function, enabling PeopleSoft applications to include multiple Fluid dashboards. Users can personalize Fluid dashboards by selecting from the tiles available for that dashboard. This completes our demonstration of the Fluid dashboards feature. In PeopleTools 855, tiles were enhanced with many features, including the ability to size tiles from 1 by 1 up to 8 by 8. You can create interactive tiles, and you can make them auto-sized or resizable, among other enhancements, as depicted by the double-sided arrow. And in this example, in addition to various sized tiles, notice that the Oracle Search tile displays interactive external content. You can search, scroll through the search results, and click search result links within the tile. Because the tile is interactive, the main hotspot for this tile has been disabled to comply with accessibility standards. Additional tile enhancements include dynamic tile content that's updatable through push notifications, external content in tiles, non-PeopleSoft URLs, the ability to manage the tile's location in the tile repository, and whether the tile can be added to home pages, dashboards, or the navbar. This completes the Tile Attributes Enhancements demonstration. Tile Wizard is a new feature in PeopleTools 855 that presents a 5-step process to create tile definitions and supports the following 5 data types: application classes that implement a PeopleTools delivered base class, free text, navigation collections, OBIEE reports and dashboards, and pivot grids. Tile Wizard also allows creation of image-only tiles like a simple navigation button. While not exclusively a Tile Wizard feature, the display of navigation collections within a Fluid Activity Guide wrapper facilitates Fluid navigation to role or task-based content. Tile Wizard facilitates this representation by supporting the creation of tiles based on a navigation collection as a data source. Note that navigation collections represented in this manner are being referred to as application start pages by some PeopleSoft application teams. This completes our demonstration of the Tile Wizard feature. In PeopleTools 855, the Activity Guide feature was enhanced to support fluid activity guides using a new Activity Guide rendering engine. Similar to previous PeopleTools versions, activity guides are defined through the use of Activity Guide templates. There are now 7 Activity Guide template types delivered with PeopleTools 855. These template types support sequential processes that must be completed by the user in strict step order as well as non-sequential processes. In addition, the template type determines whether there is a horizontal or vertical presentation of steps. Finally, the template type determines whether the activity guide is a guided process that includes next, previous, and custom buttons for navigation, or whether it is a non-guided process. In this activity guide example, note that it is optimized, meaning it includes only fluid components optimized for activity guides. It is sequential. It is guided. There are next and previous buttons in the fluid banner, and the 4 steps match the action items configured in the template. This completes the Fluid Activity Guide Enhancements demonstration. In PeopleTools 855, the PeopleSoft Related Content Framework was enhanced. You can now configure related content on fluid components and embedded related content on fluid pages. Tile definitions can be reused as either related content or embedded related content, either when explicitly defined as related content services or implicitly when used as anonymous services. In addition, simplified analytics based on pivot grid models can be configured on fluid pages. In this example, note the configuration of 2 related content services, 3 instances of the analytics service, plus 2 clones of the analytics service. The 2 items of fluid-related content are displayed under the Related Information tab of the My Service Request page. In addition, this user has configured 2 analytic instances which are displayed under the My Analytics tab. This completes our demonstration of fluid-related content and simplified analytics enhancements. Using Oracle Mobile Application Framework, or MAF, is an option for deploying fluid applications to mobile devices. Using MAF, the PeopleSoft application runs inside the MAF container on the mobile device rather than using the mobile device's browser to connect to the PeopleSoft system. In PeopleTools 855, the support for deploying fluid applications with MAF was enhanced as follows. PeopleTools now supports Oracle MAF 2.2, and push notifications are now enabled for fluid applications deployed using MAF. This completes our demonstration of the Oracle Mobile Application Framework option. With PeopleTools 855, there's a significant improvement to the selective adoption process as well. New enhancements include the new PeopleSoft DPK delivery format, a PeopleSoft Update Manager dashboard, an improved selection process, Update Manager utilities, and change package definitions. Let's take a look at the PeopleSoft Update Manager dashboard, which is a central location for all update tasks and provides analytics that help you determine your current level of maintenance. Use the pivot grids to access maintenance logs and bug information for each database uploaded to the PeopleSoft Update image. The Update Manager dashboard provides the following analytics: bug by target database, which shows the percentage of fixes applied relative to the total number of fixes in an image to give an idea of how current your system is. Bug status by tag, which shows the percentage of fixes applied for a tag value relative to the total percentage of fixes available for the tag to give an idea of how current a single tag is. Bug status by product, which shows the percentage of updates applied to all products relative to updates available for a single product to show how current a single product is compared to other products. And bug status by image, which shows the total percentage of fixes applied relative to when the fixes were first available to give an idea when the fixes were available that have been applied. This completes the PeopleSoft Update Manager dashboard demonstration. With PeopleSoft PeopleTools 855, Oracle recommends that you use the PeopleSoft Deployment Packages, or DPKs, to install and configure your PeopleSoft environment. DPKs include the required third-party versions, which simplifies and helps automate the installation and configuration of your PeopleSoft environment. PeopleSoft Update images are also delivered with DPKs and can be found on the PeopleSoft Update Manager homepage. DPKs provide a framework for automating PeopleSoft operations in the Oracle Cloud while still allowing customers to tailor configurations of their environment in the cloud. DPKs quickly deploy a PeopleSoft environment on any hardware platform, whether it's physical or bare metal hardware or virtual hardware. DPKs enable you to skip the manual steps associated with gathering the necessary installation programs, installing third-party products such as Oracle Tuxedo and WebLogic and the latest patches, installing the application home or PS App Home, installing both PeopleTools and the PeopleTools patch binaries, and configuring the PeopleSoft domains. One of the DPKs provided with PeopleSoft PeopleTools patches is a PeopleSoft PeopleTools Client DPK. Use this DPK for a PeopleTools-only upgrade or to install a utility, such as Application Designer, to connect to an existing environment. The PeopleTools patch DPKs contain the upgrade documentation, upgrade template for Change Assistant, and files. Follow the instructions in the Upgrade Getting Started guide included in the DPK. And DPKs are integrated with PeopleSoft Automated Configuration Management, or ACM, to provide PeopleSoft application configuration using plugins delivered by the PeopleSoft application. This completes our demonstration of PeopleSoft deployment packages. With PeopleTools 855, we deliver more than 75 application datasets for PeopleTools managed objects, so you can view compare reports in Data Migration Workbench and visualize the changes to determine whether or not to accept them during the upgrade. Application datasets provide a merge capability, enabling you to keep your configurations and still accept updates from PeopleSoft. In this example, the red boxes indicate anything that is a configuration field in the Activity Guide template page. These configurable fields are added to ADS merge groups, enabling you to keep your configuration changes when applying the ADS definition. This completes our demonstration of Application Datasets Enhancements. PeopleTools 855 introduces PeopleSoft Health Center to monitor the health of your PeopleSoft application. It provides real-time analysis of performance and load, and alerts for significant events that occur within the application. Choose the components or domains you want to monitor by answering yes to the Enable Monitoring option, a one-time authentication. After you have signed in for the required domains, you will see the application dashboard. The application dashboard displays alerts, the general health and load status of the system, and the overall health of the web server, application server, and process scheduler domains, and you can drill down into any of the components. For example, when you drill down into the web server domain, the dashboard displays the server information and status, system information, JVM heap, thread pool, sockets, and log files. Metric alerts are available only with graphs. Notice the alert setup icon. While you use counter monitors to monitor integer type data points, you use gauge monitors to monitor numeric type attributes. When you specify threshold values, alerts are generated in the Alert section on the application dashboard. This completes our demonstration of the Health Center. PeopleTools 855 introduces the following improvements to Automated Configuration Management, or ACM: plugin execution error handling, selective configuration of properties, export configuration snapshot, dynamic plugin dependency resolution, validation of configuration elements, and import template variables. This completes our demonstration of Automated Configuration Management enhancements. PeopleTools 855 introduces these improvements in Application Designer: additional search filters for the Find In feature, additional hotkey options, and autocomplete. The new search filters, definition name and owner ID, in the Find In and Find Definition References dialog boxes are available only when the find type is set to text string in PeopleCode. View the list of additional hotkeys introduced in 855. Press Ctrl plus spacebar to display keywords in the autocomplete pop-up. Notice that keywords are marked with a key icon. You can access Help, or F1, from the autocomplete pop-up window for an item on the list. This completes our demonstration of the Application Designer enhancements. Log Analyzer for Application Engine is a graphical user interface tool that helps you format the Application Engine log file to easily get log information about the Application Engine call structure, SQL information, and PeopleCode information. This completes our demonstration of Log Analyzer. Remember that we showed you only a few of the features from PeopleTools 855. For more information about these features and other enhancements, see the CFO tool, release notes on My Oracle support, and check the PeopleSoft information portal at www.peoplesoftinfo.com for updates.